Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Prepared4X brand, their patented fire starter survival tool. It's all-in-one ferro rod flint and 36-inch Tinder Wick rope and aluminum handle. This is the 6-inch version. Now you can light a fire anywhere instantly. It came in this very nice box, and you could use this box if you like. This is what it was shipped in. Really nice, and it has a little instruction booklet also to let you know how to use the product. It's very simple. And this is the patented survival torch. It produces a shower of sparks guided directly to the wick, so your fire igniter starts fast, even in wind, even if it's wet. So there's no need to buy a separate rod, striker, tinder wick. It's all included in this kit. It's premium quality and unique curve striker, directing sparks straight to the wick. So you can get rid of your hard to hold and difficult to use ferro rods and easily makes your fire. We're going to demonstrate that. You get about 3+ hours of continuous burn time on one of these, on the piece that's included. So you're prepared for anything with this. Anytime you need a flame, you can use this, even if it gets wet. So there's a couple of things I want to show you on this. On the instruction booklet, you can get a free rope fill. You can scan that right there. You can join the VIP club right there. So this is where it comes in this cool little sack, I want to call it. Let's take the unit out right here so you can see it. Again, this is the 6-inch version. Let me back the camera up a little bit here. This is the 6-inch version. And here's what it looks like. So you have the striker area right there, and you have the rope which feeds into that like that. I already tested it. You can see it has some charcoal on there. And then on the end of the rope you have the actual striker. Now if you look here, see how it's indented? I don't know if the camera's picking that up. There is a grind right there that's placing this at 90 degrees. It's kind of sharp, almost like a razor blade right there. That goes away right there, so that's where you're going to be using the striking energy. You see it has a clip on here that is removable, so if you want to, you can take this out. And then there's the rope, so that way you can have the rope replaced if you need to. So right here, you can see it's a little worn right there. You're going to put this down on the table, and you're going to be doing a striking motion like that. And you can see the sparks already. Now I'm not going to light it here because this is a combustible material. We're going to show it on an all metal table to show you how easily this strikes. I wanted to show you that on the bottom of this tool there is a section that has little sharp edges on it. The camera's picking that up right there. See, and now you can really see it. And that's what you're going to use to scrape the material so that you can get some fray action going on. And that's going to help you start the fire properly, because it'll start to break down this twine, this rope, so that it has all the little tiny pieces you're going to need to have that spark more effectively. Now when you go to use the striker, you want to make a cross pattern. As you can see, looks like a cross right there. And you want to have both those sharp edges laying flat on there. Not one edge, not left or right, but both of them. And that's how you make the motion. And we're going to demonstrate that next. So here I'm on a metal table, and you can see I've got it frayed nicely right there. I got it pulled out about about 1.5 inches out. I'm going to put this down like that. I'm going to use the striker. And there it goes. And then you want to extinguish the flame. All you do is pull this in like that, and it shuts off. And then you're ready to use it again. Very simple, very effective. So after testing, what do I think about the Prepared4X brand, their patented fire starter survival tool? Really cool product, very good idea they came up with. That's why it's patented. As I demonstrated, this works great. You want to have this if you're going camping, hunting, anytime if you're a survivalist, you want to have something like this to make a fire. This is excellent. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.